How to build a team for your SEO agency. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a very interesting tutorial on how to build a team for your SEO agency. So let's get started. What is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, which helps our different websites, blogs, and stores to rank higher in search results on Google or any other platform. It is an important factor of creating a website or a blog online because if you do not have a good SEO or your content is not SEO friendly, then you won't be able to rank higher and your website and your blogs will be unknown forever. So it's an important part, and for this, there are different agencies created. And if you have an agency already that help people to actually with their SEO, or if you're doing it for your own business, then you might have to build your own team. So today I will show you how to find the best people out there for your SEO agency and what should be the budget and what kind of people you hire and what are the different platforms that offer such skills. So let's get into it. So first of all, what you guys need to do is simply go to fiverr.com. Now hear me out. When it comes to hiring someone for SEO, there is going to be two types of jobs. We have a part-time job and then we have a full-time job. So if you're looking to hire someone for full-time, you can go to platforms such as LinkedIn and Indeed. And if you want to hire someone with good skills and for a low budget, then you can go to fiverr.com or upwork.com. So right now I am on Fiverr. On Fiverr, what you can do is you can just search for search engine optimization or go to the trending section and search and simply click on search engine optimization, which is SEO. Here I will be able to find different type of people helping me with off-page SEO, on-page SEO, technical SEO, keyword research, full SEO package, competitor analysis, or voice search SEO. What is Fiverr? Fiverr is a freelancing platform where people create their gigs and we can hire them to do our job. So I have searched for a simple search engine optimization. And you can see I have a lot of different gigs available and people that I can hire for cheap prices. Let me show you what they can do. You can see I will skyrocket ranking with high quality do follow SEO backlinks. What she does is she helps us with the ranking and SEO. Perfect. Whitehead backlinks, he will help us with the backlinks. Contextual backlinks. So backlink is an important factor when it comes to working on SEO. And a lot of people will help you with the backlinks and maybe an overall ranking of your website. So first you need to understand what you are looking for. If you're having a trouble building backlinks, then you can hire someone from here. Hiring process is really easy. You just select the person you want to hire and you check out their reviews. Let's open up this gig. I can check out her experience and everything and what she works in. Industry is also important. Let's say that your person is not in your industry and is not experienced, then there is no point. So make sure that you check their clients as well, and you can see she has a very big clients such as Walmart and TikTok and others. So that is actually pretty impressive. And then we have a portfolio. So now if I want to continue and I want to contact them, I can just simply contact them from here. And this is how you hire someone on Fiverr. So it's really easy to do. This way I have a person to actually help me with the ranking and backlinks. Now I can move on to the more things such as keyword research. Let's say I write blogs and articles and I want someone to help me with the keywords. What we can do is we can just search for keyword research, and then there are a lot of different companies and different people that will help me with the keyword. And I can ask them to join my SEO agency. I can hire them openly and they will be able to simply join me. So you can see right here, I will do excellent SEO keyword research. So this is a person doing keyword research. Then we have this one right here, which is a pro and verified. So I can just check them out now, that how they will help me with the keyword research. I can check their portfolio, about, clients, and more. And after that, I can just contact them and hire them for my agency. Keep in mind, tell your freelancer that you will be hiring them for an agency. And if they're willing to join, that is good. Or you can also hire them, openly as well anytime and ask them to do a job for you and maybe then pay them and have a contract. So this is how we work, and now you can just explore more on Fiverr. And if you're looking for a specific thing and you cannot find it, you can just always search right here, and you can just search for maybe blog writing, SEO, website SEO, anything you want, WordPress SEO. You will just type it right here, e-commerce SEO, and you will get a lot of different skilled people for your SEO. There is also a local SEO that we work on. So we can just like go to programming and tech, and it will help me see different type of SEOs that are available. Even in the trending section, you can see search engine optimization is trending. It's because a lot of people look for this, and a lot of people are hiring now for their SEO agency, and that's what we are doing here on Fiverr. So once you have your team, then you can move on to your basic platform, whatever platform you're using for your SEO, or maybe any platform your freelancers advise you to use. We have phrase.io, and then we have rank math for WordPress. You can also do keyword research yourself and work on SEO with these platforms. Rank Math and Phrase also, they're like SEO friendly platforms. This one is for WordPress, Rank Math. So if you have a WordPress website, then I will highly recommend going and installing the plugin Rank Math SEO. So it also adds like a direct SEO on your website. So when we talk about hiring people for our agency, our SEO agency, it is also an important part that they work on your website. So if you have a website and if you want to work on that, they will get all the details of the website if you have a WordPress, and they will give you the organic traffic that you are looking for. So it's not like we are getting inorganic traffic or such thing. We will get organic engagement, and we will be able to simply rank higher in Google search results, and it will increase and improve the SEO of our website or for our client that we are hiring for. So once you have a team, another thing that we can do is it's called drop servicing. So if you have an agency and you have hired people, you can also sell your agency as a whole. Let me show you how we do that. Now I have hired different people from Fiverr for cheap prices. For example, I hired someone for $5 an hour, $10 per hour, and then we have other different budgets. And after that, what I can do is I can go to Fiverr now and create an SEO agency if I do not have a website. We can also do that on freelancing websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, even on LinkedIn or Indeed. And we can say that we have a SEO agency now, and we will help you with the SEO and everything. And I will charge them as a whole, maybe, $1,000, $500, and then pay my workers that are working for me, pay my team, and divide that amount in them. Also, make some profit. So that is called drop servicing, and we can do that as well when it comes to creating an SEO agency, because it has a good potential to help us, increase a business and start a business of our own. So even if you are a beginner, I would suggest you can do drop servicing and hire people for this thing, and then just provide the services to clients as a whole, so they don't have to create an agency of their own, and you will be making profit out of it. So this is another way. Or you can work on your website, create a website, have an agency, and now you know how to hire and how to build a team for SEO agency. I hope that I was a big help to you guys, and you can check out the other platforms as well, such as Upwork.com, Indeed, and LinkedIn. The process is going to be same. Just look and search for SEO and look for people and hire them directly online, and it will help you find people for remote jobs, and it will help you build your SEO agency and make money with it. This brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.